life. Wow, a pond. I wonder what lives here.
I can see frogs, birds, and bugs.
I wonder what's living down inside the pond.
Let's take a look under the water and find out.
Wow, I've never seen the bottom of a pond before. There's so many amazing plants and animals. Let's make our own pond.
Great idea. Let's start our pond by adding rocks. Tap on the book if you want to hear about the things you can add to the pond.
Great! Now there's lots of places for the animals to live and hide. Let's keep going.
Underwater plants. Floating plants.
Ooh, now we get to pick a plant to add.
You can always use my book to hear more information.
Floating plants make good places to hide. Let's look around. Wow, this is so interesting. Let's keep going. Now we get to add animals to the pond. Ponds need lots of different plants and animals to stay healthy. Let's pick one and see what happens.
Worm, snail.
These wiggly worms are so tiny. I wonder what other small animals live in the pond.
I noticed that each time we chew something, the pond changes.
Look, we're going up. I wonder what we'll discover.
Different creatures live here, in the middle of the pond.
I wonder what they are and what they eat.
Dragonfly larvae. Scavenger beetle larvae.
Click on the things in the tray to hear about them. When you are ready to place things in the pond, tap the book again to close it. Drag something into the pond. These larvae become bright, colorful dragonflies when they grow up. They look so different as babies. We could take a closer look at the plants and animals in the pond with this magnifying glass. Move the magnifying glass over a plant or animal and click it to see it up close.
I notice the dragonfly larva has a big bottom lip that helps it scoop up food. What do you notice? I noticed that the rocks look green up close. That's because they're covered in algae. What do you notice? The dragonfly larva has 6 long legs that each have 2 claws. I notice the dragonfly larva has a big bottom lip that helps it scoop up food. What do you notice? I notice that the little worms wiggle when they swim. I think this is because they don't have fins like fish do. Tadpole. Diving beetle larva.
Wow, I wonder how many tadpoles are here. count how many you see.
Scavenger beetle larva. Diving beetle larva.
These larvae become beetles when they grow up. Imagine how different they will look.
I noticed this scavenger beetle larva has 3 pairs of legs. That's 6 altogether. I wonder if it's an insect. It looks like tadpole bodies are just a head and tail. I wonder how the body parts will change as it grows into a frog.